everyone and welcome back to Randy's Toys and Games. Today we have Mold and Paint Justice League DIY DC logo fridge magnets. Wow! We get all this stuff in the set. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So let's open it up. Oh wow! These are the instructions. Here we have one bag for mold, 6 paint colors and 1 paint brush, a popsicle stick for mixing, and fridge magnets. Inside, we have the most important bit of the set, the pop, meaning plaster of Paris. And there is one more popsicle stick in the set. Here we have the form mold of 6 awesome DC characters: Flash, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, Batman, Superman, and Aquaman. Today, I will make the logo of Flash. First, I am taking a paper cup and I will put plaster of Paris in it. Now, I will add water to the plaster of Paris so that it forms a paste. Now, our paste is ready, so we will put it in the mold. We have filled the mold to the brim. Now we need to keep it aside for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so we'll put a fridge magnet on the back of the logo. Now the pop has completely dried, so we will take it out. Now this is how it looks after it has completely dried and has been taken out of the mold. It has chipped a little bit while taking out. Now let's start painting it. And so this is how it has turned out in the end. This is the magnet. I had a lot of fun making this DIY DC logo fridge magnets. I hope you also have a lot of fun making these. I will be making the other 5 superhero magnets now. Thank you for watching. Bye.